Finding the best ceramic wok can feel tricky when every pan claims to be non-stick and healthy, but only a few truly deliver for everyday cooking. I've tested a bunch in real home kitchens, and the best ceramic wok is the one that heats evenly, cooks fast stir-fries, and stays easy to clean without any stress. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Green Pan Lima Ceramic Wok Pan. This Green Pan Lima hard anodized healthy ceramic non-stick 12.5-inch wok pan with helper handle, PFAS-free, oven-safe, gray feels like a clean and simple choice for everyday home cooking, especially when I want light stir-fry meals without much oil. Hard anodized body gives it strong scratch resistance for daily use. Ceramic non-stick coat helps food slide off easily and makes cooking feel smooth. It heats evenly on gas and electric stoves, which helps with quick and simple weeknight meals in busy home kitchens. One minor downside is that it does not work on induction stovetops, which limits its use in some modern kitchens. It still feels reliable for simple stir-fry and healthy home cooking without stress, making it a solid everyday pan for light meals at home.
Number 4. Blue Diamond 12-inch Hybrid Wok with Lid. The Blue Diamond Hybrid Nonstick Stainless Steel 12 Wok with Lid, PFAS-free ceramic diamond bond stir-fry pan, induction-ready, dishwasher and oven-safe, metal utensil-safe, stay-cool handle, silver, feels like a solid everyday pan for quick stir-fry meals and simple home cooking. Diamond heat layer delivers fast, even heating on induction and gas. Stay-cool handles give secure grip during long cooking sessions. It handles frying, steaming, and braising smoothly and feels sturdy in hand for everyday use in busy kitchens. The induction base also heats evenly, which helps reduce hot spots during quick weeknight cooking. One minor downside is that it feels a bit heavy when fully loaded with food. Still, it performs well for family meals and makes cleanup easy after cooking for easy daily meals at home.
Number 3. Roomena Hybrid Ceramic Wok Pan. This Roomena Hybrid Ceramic Wok Pan feels reliable for everyday cooking, especially when I want fast stir-fry meals at home, and it feels reliable for weeknight cooking routines in busy kitchens. Cool grip handle gives a steady hold and stays safe even during longer cooking sessions. Tri-ply heat core spreads heat evenly, so food cooks faster without hot spots even for quick weeknight meals. It handles different cooking styles easily, from stir-frying to simple simmering, which makes it practical for daily home use. I'd even call it a best ceramic wok pan hybrid option because it balances easy cleanup with strong heat control. One minor downside is that it can feel slightly heavy when full, especially during tossing food. It still performs well for family meals and simple stir-fry recipes without much effort, which makes it a practical pick for everyday home cooks at home. Number 2. SENSARTE Ceramic Wok Lid Nonstick Pan. This SENSARTE Ceramic Nonstick Wok with Lid, 11-inch non-toxic stir-fry pan induction cookware, deep frying pan skillet with stay-cool handles, PFAS/PTFE/PFOA-free feels like a simple, healthy upgrade for daily cooking for everyday home meals and simple weeknight cooking routines. Cool grip handle gives a steady hold and stays comfortable even when the pan gets hot. Ultra non-stick pan makes food slide off easily with very little oil needed. It also stands out as best ceramic wok with lid, which really helps lock in heat and flavor during cooking. One minor downside is that the ceramic coating needs gentle care to keep its non-stick surface lasting longer. It still feels like a reliable pick for everyday healthy cooking without much effort and works well for light healthy cooking at home too, really. Number 1. SUMEIGUAN 13-inch Titanium Wok Pan with Lid. The SUMEIGUAN 13-inch Titanium Wok Pan with Lid has genuinely impressed me in daily cooking. I was skeptical at first, but this pan heats up fast and evenly every time. The star texture design inside is something I hadn't seen before. It actually reduces how much oil you need. That's a real win for anyone trying to eat lighter. It works on every stove I've tried, including induction, which is super convenient. The glass lid stands on its own too, so monitoring your food is effortless. The cool touch handle kept me safe even after long stir-fry sessions, no towel needed. It's big enough to cook for the whole family in one go, which saves so much time. The only downside is it's a bit wide for smaller stovetops. But honestly, once you use it, you won't want to go back. Final verdict. If you're after the best ceramic wok pan for everyday home cooking, I'd personally recommend the SUMEIGUAN 13-inch titanium wok pan with lid as the top pick. It feels strong, heats evenly, and makes stir-frying simple without much oil. The balance of durability and easy handling really stands out for busy kitchens. For a more affordable and practical option, I'd recommend the SENSARTE Ceramic Nonstick Wok with lid. It's a great fit if you want lighter cooking, easy cleanup, and a non-toxic surface for daily meals without complication. Both are solid choices depending on your cooking style. If you want power and long-term durability, go with SUMEIGUAN. If you prefer light, simple, healthy cooking, SENSARTE is a smart pick. Check the description link for current prices and full details, and choose the one that fits your kitchen needs best.